Please support the Black Lives Matter movement. If you care about human rights, then you care about this movement. There's going to be a bunch of links in my bio. Make sure to click those, sign petitions, do what you can to help. Love you. I decided when I woke up this morning that I wanted to turn my dog into a cow. Why? Because it's been like a trend to paint things like cow patterns on TikTok, and like I am gonna make a TikTok of this, like a compressed version. He's also like black and white, so I feel like he just kind of looks like a cow. Like there's not much else that I could make him into. So like first I googled how to dye your dog's hair, but the only thing that came up was like dog dye, or you could use like vinegar and food coloring, but like first of all he's black mostly, so that's only gonna work on the white parts, and that's just like permanent. I don't want anything permanent. I want him to look like a cow for like 30 minutes and then me wash him off. Then I googled, is washable non-toxic paint safe for dogs? And like, yeah, it is. Like Crayola paint and stuff, it's safe for like kids, because I mean you could even like actually lick that stuff and ingest it and it would be fine. So like I'm gonna be very careful and make sure he doesn't lick it anyways, but this is supposed to be completely safe. It's only gonna stay on his fur for a short amount of time. I'm still gonna try and make sure it doesn't get on his skin, so I'm taking extra precautions, but Google said it was safe, so it's fine. Alright, all ready to head off to Michael's. No way to get the paint. Alright, so we made it to Michael's. Caitlin's gonna go get the pet shampoo to wash it out of him later at the PetSmart. She's not having it. She does not want to do this today. I had to convince her it's fine. So they are completely out of white paint, or like the Crayola white paint, but these are both washable. This one's meant for kids. It's only $1, so I think I might get 2 of this packet. And then I just gotta find duct tape because we're going to a Black Lives Matter protest tomorrow. So. I hate waiting. No patience. There's my soon-to-be cow. Hello. Okay, so I've suited up in clothes that I don't really care about. It's like the only shirt that I don't care that much about. And then just like pajama pants. And my idea is to do it in the bathroom. Probably gonna do it like literally in the shower, like in there, because it's washable and it washes with just like soap and water, so if it gets places, I can just wash it off easily in the shower in here. Okay. You ready? Good boy. Sit. So I'm gonna use my hands, and I'm just gonna add some like splashes to his fur. He's gonna absolutely hate washing this off after that. No, Nick, you need it. I feel like I could be doing like nicer splashes, but I just don't care that much. Why has nobody done this with their dog yet? I basically just used one whole tube of paint. He looks like a cow! Oh my gosh, why is this the best thing ever? Are you a moo? Release the creature. Wait. No. Why is this the best thing I've ever done? Oh my gosh. He looks kind of like a cow! Cyrus! Okay, I'm ready now. What do you think? He's done.
Oh, it's done?
He's a cow.
Wow.
It's a cow. Can you say moo? Moo! Come on. So now it's time to take the cow out to the pasture. Are you ready, cow? Ready for the pasture? Let's show the world your beauty. Everybody's gonna look at me like I'm crazy. It's okay, because I am. Oh, yeah! Is he painted? Yes, he painted him like a cow. Oh.
You know, I was confused for a second. I was going to say you were walking your cow.
So you have your own cow.
Wait, what was that? That was a moo.
Oh, yeah.
That was it.
It's beautiful. Did you do this intentionally?
Yes, I did.
Little cow dog.
Cow. Take him to the pasture.
That's awesome.
Have a good day.
Yeah, he is.
He's a cow. He's 11 months old.
I think his name is Doggo.
No, he's a cow. I'm bringing him out to the pasture. Yeah, what do you think?
You are a cow.
Yes, he's officially a cow, Chris.
He's obviously a cow. All the best cow to make some milk.
Yes, we're gonna go milk this cow, even though he's a boy. Have a good day. Thank you. It's the cutest cow you've ever met, right? Yep. What do you rate him out of 1 out of 10 cows? How many cows do you rate him?
Probably 10 cows.
10 out of 10 cows. Yes, of course.
Do it to you.
Just mama high five, but it's okay. It was meant for you. I'll air high five because
Air high five. Go
Air
ahead.
high five. Okay. Have a good day. Well, we need a bag.
It's your cow. And he didn't even poo on the grass. What kind of a cow are you?
I thought he did his poop this morning. Why is this so hard? Now we can go off to the pasture. Frolic, Cyrus! Frolic with me! Go! Come on! We frolic. The moon.
Washing the cow.
Coming out pretty good with just the water. I'm just gonna put the shampoo straight on them.
Get your shampoo in.
Looks like we're pretty good. There's no suds left.
Okay, come to mama. Oh, okay. Yep, you can do that first.
Oh my gosh. I got some bit of a mess going on here.
Good boy. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. The Moo and I had a wonderful day today. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully you saw my TikTok because hopefully it went viral. So if you did, make sure to follow me on all those things as well. Arrivederci!
Bye bye.